Hello, we are back for another day of boot dev. How is everybody doing? I am excited. Today we're gonna move on to Linux. What? We are in the next phase on the Learn Linux course. Now, I have done some of this Linux course already, but I'm gonna start over because two reasons. One, when I first started the Linux course, I was doing it on my Mac, but it's not as good at streaming. So now I'm on my PC because I haven't yet figured out how to properly stream working on my Mac. What's up, Shreya? How you doing, man? I don't even know if I just said your name wrong. I realized I've never actually said it out loud, so I apologize if I just blew it. But thanks for coming by. I appreciate it. We're going to do some Linux, which means we're going to do WSL2 because it's wrong. Yeah, that's fair. I'm sorry. If you phonetically type it out for me, I will 100% learn it to say it properly. But I knew I was going to. It's actually why in other streams you've been here and I've almost called it out and I was like, oh, I'm gonna butcher it. I can't say it out loud. It's gonna be wrong. But then today I was like, you know what? We're going for it. We're going for it. You know, who cares? But wait, faux what? What? I don't even know what's happening anymore. I've already lost the plot. It's already over for me. That's it. Okay, before we go too far, I want to try and fix this green screen a little bit. I did it yesterday, and then I added my filter, and then I clearly messed it up because I ended up making myself a ghost, which was, pretty sweet, but not what we were going for. Not the plan. So we're going to see if we can... Oh, sugar. What was that all about? No, don't do that, tile manager. BRB, hey, I'll be here. We're gonna be here for an hour. That's the goal, as always. That solid hour of fun, hour of power, as some might say. Not me. I mean, other people might say that. I would never say that. Okay, can I improve the greenness? You're back already. Well, that was quick. Okay, can I improve that with... And okay, a little less green. You just got starred again. I didn't even turn on Nightbot. Is it unfollowing? Get out of here. Get out of here. Alright. I mean, that's fair. I'll be honest with you. You or anybody else who unfollows, fully support it. I definitely fully support it. I would not be ashamed. It's definitely the right choice. Okay, so yes, we're gonna do Linux, but we have to do it on WSL2. Make me a mod at least. Oh man. Okay, so two things. One, I don't even know how. What are you trying to send? I don't even know why it got blocked, because like I said, I didn't even turn on Nightbot. Is Nightbot just always on? I should never have got Nightbot. I don't know how to use it, but I wanted to learn. I wanted to be cool. Okay, let me try. Let me see if I can just turn it off. Is it already on? Is the question. Nightbot, online. Which chat is this in? Logs. It should come... Okay. That's the other thing. I don't even... Is this on the YouTube? Or... Bro, you have 1 viewer. I know. I don't know how to do any of this stuff. Oh, it is on. Okay. /mod. Username. Okay. Does it fill it in automatically? I don't want to flip in. I just wanted to put Nightbot on for fun. I was just trying to learn. I'm a learning guy. That's what I do. Do I just type in your username? Do I have to type it in by hand? That seems ridiculous. Oh, can I do @? Yeah, there we go. There's always an @. Okay, so if I do this, you are now a mod. So don't blow it, because I also won't know how to take you off of being a mod. So it's like you've got it now forever. It's just in there. Man. Yeah, this is the thing I still don't quite understand about Nightbot. Is like you start it, but then like you have to sign in differently. Like I don't even know. MI test /unmod. I mean, I was gonna guess it was /unmod. Oh, is this your twits? All right, let's open it. Oh, you're not gonna see it though because it's opening on a different screen. Okay, how do you pronounce my name? Easy. Oh, Shreyas. Why is my username so weird? Because it's my name, my nickname, plus 77. Ah. How do you pronounce? Oh, Sunth. As in thunder? Sunth. With a U. Sunthu. Sunthu? Wait, hold on. That's your nickname, but I'm gonna go back to the real name. Shreyas. Shreyas? Shreyas. Come on. That's gotta be it, right? Yeah. Okay, and then but Sunthu. That's what your description is. Sun plus thun with a U. Sunthu? Sunthu. Oh, snap. This is now on my second stream. I've been learning how to say things in languages or just learn how to say things that I don't know how to say. So we're getting it. I got it the second. Sunthu. Sunthu? I just need to know now. I have to know. I keep changing it, so now I'm not sure. Okay. I'm feeling good. Nice. Thanks. So, Shreyas, and Sunthu. We're learning today. This is great. Thanks for coming by. Are you ready for me to leak probably everything in my entire life? Because I decided I'm going to start over this Learn Linux course and set up WSL2 again on this computer. And I'm definitely going to blow it. It's going to be great. I'm sure that I'm going to mess up a ton of stuff. I've already opened a terminal and I've set it up so you'll be able to see it. Yeah, clip everything. Exactly. Get out of here. I'm going to have to delete my computer. Just go buy a new one. Just throw it in the garbage. Because everything will be leaked. Oh, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, it's okay. I'm willing to risk it. You know, you got to risk it for the biscuit, as they say. All right. So before I show it, I'm just going to see. I think I already do have WSL logged in or set up. I do. Yeah, I'm so confused about what this is going to end up. Because, like, well, yeah, no, it's just, like, right now it's just Thoughtless at Thoughtless Labs. That doesn't give anybody anything. That's useless information for everybody. Right? I am not good at security. And run a sudo apt update. Oh, no. I can't do that. I mean, I probably should. No, don't. I'm going to have to. It wants me to run. I already was looking at a little bit of the course and running some sudo stuff. But if I run sudo, you're not going to do anything, right? So wait. All your PII will be clipped and run a sudo apt up. No, I'm serious. I don't know what you're even talking about. What do you mean? What is going to happen? I know. I have to do it. I'll put a LOL when I mess with you. Okay, that's good to know. So listen. I already have a WSL set up. Should I start a new one for this course? What do I need to do to make sure that I don't leak horribly important information? Yeah, but if I update my packages, that's fine, right? Like, I know how to do that stuff. Like, I do that a lot. But is there anything that's going to, like, show while I'm doing that you could clip and then mess with? You got to put the LOL. I need to know. I don't know, man. Listen. Okay, worst case, somebody gets all of my information. I mean, I'm not going to, like, do any weird stuff. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just go for it. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? Totally destroy everything. Trust you. I mean, I did make you a mod, so I am trusting you. And I haven't taken you off mod, so you are. I'm putting myself in your hands. If you mess with me, well, that's it for me. It's over. So we'll see what happens. All right. How's your day? You having a good day? I'm excited to get into this new lesson. I'm stoked that I got done the Python course. Took a little bit of time, but we got through it. Now we're on to the Linux course, which is awesome. And we're just ready to rock and roll. You know, I'm excited. I realized when I went to go live that I'm like, there's not a chance anybody's going to be coming into... Oh, it's 3 a.m. for you. Dang. That's so early. Are you going to bed right now or, like, waking up? Because, like, I definitely am not a good person to stay awake that late. But I could actually... Like, I could wake up that early if I needed to. Oh, so you're just up. This is you from the night before. What time do you get up in the morning? I'm just asking all the personal questions about your life because you're the only one in here. So you get all the life questions. Oh, what just started playing? Oh, I can hear myself now on there. Let's pause that. Don't need that. Just making sure it was working. Oh, I don't know how you do it. I could if I go to bed at like 3:30 in the morning, I better not have to wake up until 10. Except my body does not know how to sleep in, so I always end up just waking up early. Nice. Wake up whenever you feel like. That's good. I like that. Okay, so let's see. First, I'm just gonna do a quick check. If I turn on terminal and then transition, will you see it? Right now, it just looks like a black square. So that's not good. Does it like hide it on purpose? Oh, that's just a black square. Why is that just a black square? Okay, so that's not going to come through yet. We got to fix that. Is there... Oh, here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, dang. This should work in theory. It's not, though. Why is that not working? Yo, what's going on? Welcome in. We're on the next stage of boot.dev. We're gonna be doing some Linux, but I have to use it as I'm gonna have to use my actual terminal, and I'm currently getting punked about what is gonna end up happening when I start using my terminal and how much information I'm gonna leak to the world. I know, I have to use WSL2 to do it. It's part of the course. You know, just deal with it, everyone. You're going to probably learn stuff, even if you use Linux every day. You're going to be like, oh man, I wish I knew that, because I didn't know any of that stuff. I'm not very good at computers. I mean, that's what I assume you will say. And to prove that I'm not good at computers, I need to figure out, hey, do not take advantage of the fact that I made you mod. I will unmod you. Don't be throwing around your power in here. I did it because you wanted to share a link. I will unmod you. Don't make me do it. Okay, that's how I feel though. You guys probably saw like Prime had the unhinged software dev, and then somebody else created a new unhinged software dev, and they ended up adding me as a mod for some reason. And I was just immediately like, I have too much power. And then I tried to ban Tech Savvy Travy, but for some reason it wouldn't work. And that was really disappointing because I really thought I was going to be able to ban him. But it just didn't work, you know? What are you going to do? Okay, I got to figure out why I can't get terminal to show. Is this just like OBS and Windows being like, hey, you're dumb and you don't know what you're doing. You should probably be really careful about showing this. You could exterminate everybody before I get through. Okay, how do I do this? It's gotta be this one. Nope, that's not right. Now you're just seeing the same thing twice. It's not that one. But that's the only one. Why aren't you showing? Man. Window time. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. Why? Who's done OBS? Uh-oh. Just about. Who's done OBS before that knows how to show terminal? It works. Like, I like OBS. I actually really do. And it works really well for all the other screen capture stuff, but it is not liking... It is not liking the terminal. Okay, let's just try this. We're going to delete this one. I'm going to get this to work, and then we'll start doing it. Or what'll probably happen is this will be the stream where I do nothing except for fart around with OBS. You need a boot dev OBS course. I do need a boot dev. It can detect you will do something dangerous if you share it. Honestly, I hope that's the case because I'm sure that would actually be amazing because I will definitely do something that I'm not supposed to do while working on this. There's zero question in my mind that this will be one of those leak days. Oh, actually, here, don't worry, I'm not. I got this shirt. Tej set it up because it was the when Prime leaked his IP. I told Tej to put it on a shirt, and so he did. I do green screen. I do. And a little chroma key action. It's pretty easy. I was actually really impressed. So you need some real specially engineered commands to ruin anything. Well, that's good. Been thinking about getting one? You know what? You should get... If you want to stream or do anything else, just get one. Like, I bought a super cheap one. Here, I'll show you. It is a terrible one. I have set it up incredibly poorly. And yet it still works. So, like, here, check this out. I'm going to turn off my chroma key, and you'll be able to see how, like, not smooth it is. It's super wrinkly. You won't be able to see that it's haphazardly thrown over my bookshelf behind me, but you will see that it is really, really bad. Here you go. Ready? Like, garbage. I don't even have it pulled tight, and it still works ridiculously well. Like, it's... I mean, to me, it works well. I would say you could definitely do better, and people should probably care more than I do. But anyways, it works, and it's wrinkly, and it's terrible, and it still works well. So get one, I would say. You know, you can still see a little bit of like the green, whatever it's called, but remnants. I know I do need more lighting. I have my overhead lighting, obviously, and then I have like a ring light. I do have the poles and the lights to do it. I just haven't set it up yet. I got, Greencast, is that what it's called? Okay, good to know. Yeah, I need to, we're on a learning arc here. We're learning how to stream. We're learning how to code. We're learning about green screens. We're learning about being unprepared for things. This is just, this is just a learning experience. Where's the terminal? I'm working on it, all right? You're interrupting me, telling me I need a better green screen. Stop the distractions. That's all I do. All I do are distractions. Imagine if you had to live my life where it's just constant distractions. Okay, I'm going to try this again. I'm going to try another window capture. And we're going to try the terminal. And we're going to say okay. And it does not work. Why? Okay, here comes the Googling. Let's look it up, friends. Let's look it up. How do you show your Windows terminal on OBS? Do you have Git Bash? I don't think I do have Git. What? I don't know. I don't use this computer. Okay, hold on. Windows terminal from Jonathan. Window country specific window. Why is it just showing? Appears gray. Okay, should we... Windows terminal showing as black box on OBS. Let's see here. Okay. How to fix OBS black screen. No. There, here we go. Let's find this out. GitHub. I can confirm. Quick look at OBS changelog. Recently out. This is like 2020. This is old. Okay. method from automatic to Windows graphic capture. All right, let's try that. Let's see what you got. Can you share your whole desktop and it works? Yeah, I can share my whole desktop. That's all fine. It's just that it's for some reason it's just the terminal window capture. So somebody said change it from automatic to Windows. Oh, boom! Look at that. Shh, the internet, baby. So full of answers. Okay, well, awesome. We're up. We're up. I don't know where I'm gonna put this though. Well, definitely not in front of my face. Although that would probably be preferred to for most people. Classic Windows BS. Yeah. Listen, if my Windows laptop didn't have a good graphics card in it, I would stream everything from my Mac, but I can't because it is not good enough. Okay, so we're going to do this. We're going to put it here. Whoa. We're going to put it here. No, we'll just do this. And then we'll switch back and forth on the scene. I don't have cool scene switcher buttons and stuff. I'm not impressive yet. I mean, keep following me and watching me and subscribe one day, and then maybe I'll get some cooler stuff. But I don't have it right now. So we're going to do this, and then we're just going to hide and unhide terminal whenever we need to go into it. Is that working? Oh no, you guys can't see that. I have to transition it to this. And then I can go like this. And I can hide it, and then I have to transition. Oh, that's really annoying. Is there a faster way to do this? Probably, I'm sure there is, but we're doing it the slow way. We're doing it the slow way. Who cares? It's almost 5 o'clock. We have done literally. Oh, zoom in. Okay, hold up. Let me open it back up, and I will zoom in on the old terminal. How do I? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's way too big. Ugh. Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, hold on. I'm getting there. Zoomed. Share desktop and use Alt-Tab? I know, but I don't want to share my whole desktop. I'm already bad enough. I'm going to leak more things. There. Is that big enough? Hello. I think that's good, right? A wise man once said, mo fancy, mo problems. Yeah, exactly. Mo fancy, mo problems indeed. Whoa, that just shrunk. Interesting. Okay. Oh, yeah, I see now. Okay. That's what we're going to do, though. We're going to do that. Perfect. So I'm going to start going. Now, NeoVim. I think I actually have NeoVim on here. Let's find out. Oh, not in WSL. I have it in my PowerShell. Like, I can actually run it just on my Windows. I haven't been using the WSL. Because, like I said, I don't use this computer very much. I just use it for streaming. I mostly use my Mac. So I do have it set up. If I exit WSL. I know, but watch. Look, I actually did a pretty good job. NVim. Check this. In PowerShell. No, I will not focus. I refuse. It's not in my... Oh, although now... There. See? Oh, yeah, look. Oh, there's a bunch of writing files. How fun is that? Boom. Pretty sweet, you know? Here, I'm going to do... But yeah, so I do use NeoVim in PowerShell on the times that I need it, but I mostly use my Mac, and so I don't bother doing any of this stuff, really. You're going to see this change in a second. Oh yeah, boom. Transition. How's that for readability? I feel like I just want to fix the window size first before I worry too much more about readability. But okay, we're not there yet. We're just leaving here. We're going back into WSL, and then we're gonna go into, oh my gosh, it's so slow. Windows. Okay. Text is tiny on mobile. Oh yeah, that's fair. I mean, what are you doing watching me on mobile? Get a computer. Come on. I'm sorry. I'm in a mood. I've had a day. It's been a day. Well, I mean, I can always make it. I got the window size to the right size, and then I'll just make this big. And even though you'll never be able to see anything that I actually type because there's only this much space to put anything in, it's still good. All right. We're having fun. We're having a good time. At least I am. I don't know about you guys. I'm having a good time. And to be honest, that's really all that matters. is that I'm having fun. Okay, we're going to get rid of terminal. Go away, terminal. We're going to transition. I'm going to go buy some new buttons one day to actually be able to do all this stuff. And we are at least going to start doing some of these lessons. So I hope you're ready because it's going to be great. I will run sudo apt update, but maybe I'll do it while you can't see. And check this out. Not only will I run sudo apt update, I'll do sudo apt update and sudo apt install -y and just let it run like a true champion. How about that? Oh, and I have to type in my password. I hope I don't have like keylogger installed accidentally somewhere. Can you see that password? No, because you're not even seeing the screen. Oh, I typed it in wrong. I'm going to type it in wrong again. Oh, what? I said, oh, install -y. So it says yes to everything that's in there because I don't want to go through everything. I also don't remember my password here. I think I'm typing in the wrong password. Nope. Oh, shoot. I don't remember what my sudo password is for WSL. That's how long ago I set it up. Is it that? Oh, is it that? Nope. Is it that? This is fun. Is this entertaining or what? Oh no, I don't remember what it is. Ah. Well, if I actually just go through the boot dev course, I could reinstall. Yeah, I gave him power. I don't. He's gonna lose it because he's getting incredibly. He's making me incredibly nervous with his power, so I'm gonna have to take it away from him at some point. It's because apparently I turned on Nightbot and I forgot how to turn it off, and then I turned off link sharing, which I actually should just turn on. Cause like I trust you, right? I trust you all. You guys are gonna be good, probably. I actually don't even believe that. Oh, but I did turn off links, or I turned on links. The filter allows you to time out whitelist links. Yeah, you should be able to share links. So I don't know. Like I said, sometimes I get ahead of myself in trying to figure out what I'm doing, but then because I just like to learn these things randomly, and then I set something up and I don't know how to fix it. So when I was a kid, I just used to delete the entire computer and start over, but I try not to do that anymore. You know, I've learned a few things. Okay, should we actually do some of this? I don't remember my WSL2 password for sudo. I wish I could remember. Is it just this? We're going to try a few more. You guys can't see what I'm doing, but here. Since it hides the password, I'll show you my attempts to blow this. Here, ready? Here you go. Reset. I know, I could reset it. I was just trying to hope to avoid doing that. Okay, fine. You know what? I will start from scratch. You win. Okay, I don't think I've done anything in here. Get those 3 password attempts wrong. How do I delete WSL again? Is it just WSL uninstall? I don't remember. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, why is this so slow? This computer. I need a better computer. One day. I don't even know what I just did. Well, anyways, we'll see what happens. While this is doing whatever it's doing, probably destroying everything, I'm going to read through some of the lessons, and we're going to get started. And then I'll come back to this. Oh, I think I got rid of it. Oh, yeah, I did. Nice. Right? Did I? I don't know. Yeah, I did. Oh, no, I didn't. It's still there. Okay. I'm saying silly things and not doing the important things. You're distracting me. I'm going to go through some of this course. Let's start. Welcome to Learn Linux. Welcome to Learn Linux. Admittedly, this course name is a bit of a misnomer. It's called Learn Linux because Linux, what most students think of regarding the concepts, it's called Learn Linux because Linux is what most students think of regarding the concepts in this course. A more accurate title might be Learn to use shells and terminals in a Unix-like environment, but that's a mouthful. Learning goals. Understand the difference between a shell and a terminal. Learn how to navigate and use the file system using the command line. Learn how to install software using the command line. understand how to manage your path and environment variables, learn how to manage permissions, execute programs. This course will get you comfortable working on the command line, which is a skill that's going to be critical for the rest of your career as a programmer. I do agree. I actually love working in the terminal, so I feel like I should be reasonably good at this, other than the fact that when you're trying to do something in front of people and then you forget how to do it, I definitely do that a lot. So we'll see what happens. So instead of writing code in the browser, in this course, you'll interact with the command line interface directly on your machine. Assignment, find and open a terminal on your computer. See below for instructions. Type the following command and press enter. Hello world. When you're done, answer the question. Okay, we're just going to do this. What happened when you pressed enter? The text, hello world, printed to the terminal's console. Oh yeah, this is also cheating because I've already done these. You can see that these are going to have like gray boxes around them, or gold boxes. And I'm also not going to get any points for this, I don't think. So what a waste. Command line versus a GUI. In other boot.dev courses, you may have ran your code by clicking a run button, but as a real TM developer, you'll likely run your code using a command line interface instead. For example, Python. In Python, you would run a Python code file like this, python main.py. What is a CLI? Do you guys say CLI? 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 You'll often hear the terms terminal, shell, command line, CLI, and command prompt used interchangeably, but often they'll all refer to the same thing. Yeah, go get some work, man. Come back when you're done. You may or may not still be a mod. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Oh no! Did I actually? I know that this doesn't actually matter, but I did lose a follower. How sad. All right, I'm still here. We're still going, even though we're sad. I distracted myself again. But a computer in a text-based way. What's a GUI? If you don't have a technical background, you're probably used to interacting with your phone and computer. Wait, who unfollowed? I don't know. I just saw the number go from 39 to 38. Could be anybody. I don't know where. I don't even know if it tells you that stuff anywhere. I'm sure it does somewhere, but see what happens. We'll get over it. We'll move on. Show your face count. We'll move. We'll get on. It's okay. We'll survive. You know, it's okay. We'll survive. Long story short is I'm going to keep reading this, and you go do your work because you're still distracting me. And I only have like 20 minutes, and I've done nothing now. I've done literally nothing, which has been fantastic and fun. Let's see here. Oh, whoops. Bye. We'll see you later. Okay. What is a GUI? If you don't have a technical background, you're probably used to interacting with your phone or computer using a graphical user interface. When you use a mouse to click on fancy icons, buttons, and menus, you're using a GUI. To be fair, it's usually easier to teach people to use a GUI than a CLI. You can simply point to things and say, click here, or drag this there. But GUIs do have some drawbacks. They're weak, they're slow, they're not as reproducible, they're not automatable, they're not as cool. I agree. Assignment. In your terminal, run the following command, who am I? And then answer, my username was printed. See, I already know these ones. So, I feel kind of cheap going through these. Installing Windows. Okay. So, I will do this again. I'm going to try, since nobody is really here, I think it's just me now hanging out, having a good time. I think I'm going to try and get my password to work again. Oh, let's show you as we do it. Why not? Okay, so we're gonna move that up just a little bit. Boom. Okay, and then yeah, we need to go a little smaller, don't we? I want you to be able to see the whole screen. All right. Boom. How's this only been 35 minutes? I feel like I've been here forever. Okay, WSL. Can I remember my password? Maybe? Nope. This is fun. This is intense stuff. Oh, I got it! Yay! Nobody was here to see it, but I did it. I got my password. How much fun. Ah, living the dream. All right. I remembered my password. Okay, so we're going to skip this stuff for setting up, but it's super easy. I'll give people a quick rundown if you haven't done it. It's just WSL install, and then you can also specify what Linux distribution you want, but we already have it, so we're going to keep moving on. What is the terminal? I don't think I want to go through all these. I think these are interesting. I think you should take boot.dev and go through them yourself, but going through all of this is silly because I've already done it. Yeah, the REPLs, that's fine. We've got the... Yeah, I already did all these courses, so we're moving forward. We're going into the deeper stuff. Variables, you can create variables and echo them. All sorts of cool stuff can be done in the terminal, and I highly suggest you sign up for this for boot.dev and do it. Let's go to where I last was. Programs. Compiled versus interpreted. Okay, this could be interesting. So, a program is just a set of instructions that a computer can execute, and an executable is just a file that contains a program. The words program and executable are often used interchangeably. Broadly speaking, there are two types of programs: compiled programs and interpreted programs. This is one of those things where, like, I feel like I'm doing a lot of actual learning, but I don't think it's nearly as exciting on stream than watching me be terrible at coding. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me. I mean, we'll get to it. We'll get to the John does coding poorly again. But I just want to go through these courses. Like, I could always do some of these behind the scenes, I guess. And maybe that's what I'll end up doing. Is like the reading ones, the learning ones that are a little bit more intense on just me reading. I'll try and do like offline. And then when it comes into like actually getting to code stuff and trying to solve problems, we'll do those online. Sounds like a good plan to me. I'm excited for that plan. But in the meantime, since we're here and we're live and we're doing it, we're just going to keep moving on. Oh, man. Oh, God, so distracted. I get distracted all the time. How? Oh, this is hilarious. This is what I was saying earlier. Is like, before I went live, I happened to like check out who else was live on X right now, and it's like Theo is launching a product, so obviously tons of people are going to be there. Kent is doing a Epic live stream for Epic Shop. Again, I would expect people to be there. Prime was just streaming recently. I don't know if he still is, but it's just like, it's like, why would anybody in the world come watch this ridiculousness? I mean, I probably wouldn't do it. So I also just realized I wasn't even showing you the right stuff anymore. On fire. Okay, there, that's better. So we're reading about compiled programs and interpreted programs here, folks. We are on our learning journey to become a better coder. And part of that is learning these types of things that some of you probably know all about and other people don't. So we'll see what happens. All right. Compiled programs. A compiled program is a program that has been converted from human readable source code into machine code. Binary. Machine code is a set of instructions that a computer can execute directly. Your computer's CPU is hardware that's been designed to execute machine code. Programming languages like Go, C, and Rust produce compiled programs. I need more exciting music. That's distraction level 12 kicking in. But I want more. I want something pumped up. If I'm going to be reading, stream music. What is it? Is it DRM free or like what's the term? I'll just do this because like this is a little too chill right now. I like it when I'm trying to code stuff because I need it, but I need something a little more upbeat. All right, let's check out. What is Twitch saying? What does Twitch say that I should use? Chill hop music? Stream beats? Let's try stream beats. Let's check it out. Here, we'll just open it in here. Have any of you guys used stream beats? I don't know what it is. Stream beats. All right, we're gonna find out. We're gonna give it a go. Let's see. Oh, is this the same one? Can I watch it on YouTube? Because that would be ideal. Because I pay for YouTube. All right. I wonder what's happening over here. Nothing interesting. Okay. All right. Listen. Oh yeah, on YouTube, right? Or no, that's not on YouTube. I'm a fool. Oh no, $4.99. I do need to. I'll have to pay for this, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Setting up a whole payment thing seems silly. Let's find another one. All right, Twitch. What else you got for me? What's this one? Let's try Chill Hop. Although I feel like, well, whatever. We'll figure it out. Let's try Chill Hop. Oh yeah, here we go. Sign in. YouTube. Can I do that? Let's find out. Let's find out. We're trying to get Chill Hop. We're gonna make it work. Try some new tunage while we read. Yeah, that's fine. I want to sign into Chill Hop. That's fine. Setting all those permissions, you know. Oh, is this one of those things where like you have to then like do it as a moderator, or do you just play it from here? I've never used Chill Hop, so we're figuring it out. Okay, let's try Chill Study Beats live stream. Oh, we're gonna need to turn off this one. You guys can't see what I'm doing, which must be exciting for you. All right, Chill Hop, are you playing? Let's find out. Play. Oh. I don't know how loud that is for anybody else, but I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. Oh yeah. This is good. Good stuff. I'm into it. Oh yeah. We're rocking now. Okay. Well, while we're here, let's go. Interpreted programs. An interpreted program is a program that is executed by another program. The program that executes the interpreted program is called an interpreter. Clever naming conventions. The interpreter reads the source code of the interpreted program and executes it. Programming languages like Python, Ruby, and JavaScript are typically interpreted as they run, which means your computer needs to have the interpreter installed to run the program. Another example is the shell script files we talked about. Those are interpreted by the shell program. Makes sense? Okay. In your shell, run the following command. Let's pull up the old shell. All right. You ready? You can see the terminal again. Let's turn this bad boy back on. Transition. Yes. Clear. We're getting this. Okay. Which shell is shell? That's super easy. Cat bin shell. Oh. Try to view its contents as cat. You see what you see. Haha. There you go. It's a bunch of terribleness. Okay. So, a file.sh extension, on the other hand, is a shell script. It's a text file that contains commands that will be interpreted and run by the sh program. They are both executable programs, but only one can be run without the help of another program. Okay, what is the output of catting the sh executable? A bunch of gibberish. I got it right. What are we even doing? Okay, next. Which can be executed without the help of an interpreter. Compiled executable like the sh program. Or a shell script. No, what? Now, see, this is why I gotta reread this. No, the shell script files is interpreted by the shell program, so a compiled executable like the shell program does not need the help of an interpreter. Boom. Nailed it. Okay, Next. Whoa. Oh, the shebang. A shebang. What do they do? A shebang. I thought that was so funny in my head. I was like, this is gold. This is comedy gold. People are gonna love it. Oh, too much sitting today. Okay. Whew, shebang. As we talked about before, you can run any executable file by typing its file path into your shell. For example, bin/gnids.sh. That works out of the box for files that are compiled executables. But what about scripts that need to be interpreted by another program? What do we do with those files? The computer needs to be told what program to use to interpret the file. A shebang is a special line at the type of a script that tells your shell which program to use to execute the file. The format of a shebang is octothorpe, hashtag, pound. Which one do you want to say? I personally like octothorpe because nobody says that anymore. And it's one of those names that is awesome. So we're going to go with octothorpe just to mess with everybody. Octothorpe, exclamation point, interpreter, optional arguments. For example, if your script is a Python script and you want to use Python, your shebang might look like this. Octothorpe, exclamation point, / user bin Python 3. This tells the system to use the Python 3 interpreter located at that location to run the script. Use the cat command to view the contents of the private bin gnids file. I'm a little worried that I was supposed to do something. Well, let's find out. What happens if I do that? Cat /private bin /gnids. Is that a real thing? Nope. Because I think I was supposed to have something installed from these past lessons. Now we're gonna go back through. Oh dang. Did I need to pull anything from Git? I kind of feel like that was something I was supposed to do in order to actually do this. But I already, like I said, I'd already done all these and I didn't want to do them again. But I feel like that's what I'm missing here. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. Download the World Bank directory. Okay, we need to do this. So let's get into... Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just kidding. You saw my local IP. It doesn't matter. Does not matter. Curl -L HTTPS. I do like to type these in sometimes. It's just fun. boot.dev/worldbank/archive/refs/heads/ Oh, hold on. What else is on here? Oh my goodness. Maybe I should have just copied. I think I got in over my head, everyone. This course is going to be hilarious because I'm going to do so many stupid things here. Okay, let's do this. Let's just copy and paste. Okay, paste. Whoops. I need to get rid of what I was already doing. There. There we go. Unzip. And where are we putting this? Just right in the old main directory? That seems foolish. Let's do this. Make directory of documents. Documents / and then we'll do, and does that work? I don't know. if... Oh, no. Oh, what did I miss? Series, like, documents. Oh, I didn't create it, that's why. Documents. Nice. Documents. We're now going into it. Let's see. Okay, that exists now, right? Is that empty? Perfect. Okay, now we're going to do this again. Oops. I've clearly done some random things in here. I don't know what I was doing, but we were doing all sorts of weird things. All right, let's paste this again. Now, this should work, right? Sudo unzip not found. Ugh. Install unzip. I'm kind of glad that this is happening because this was the kind of stuff when I started learning anything about coding at all that drove me up the wall and that I just could not figure out when I was younger. I was just like, why do I need to do all of these extra steps? Why doesn't this thing just work? And it was like, it drove me nuts. It was the reason that I would like stop coding all the time because I'd get a book about like writing Python codes and I'd be like, okay, I want to do this. And then I'd try and do it. And it's like 16 extra steps before I could even get started on the program. And then I'd just blow it with those steps. And then I'd get mad and then I couldn't figure it out. And then I'd just be like, whatever, this is silly. Okay, but this should work now. Hey, there we go. All right. We did it. Okay, so we did this World Bank one. I feel like there's also other ones I'm supposed to do. Okay, let's see, what else? So, we already did this. I think there's going to be another one that we need to do. Okay, we already finished all these. Let's keep going. World Bank. We might actually be done with World Bank in this lesson. Move, remove, copy. Copy's a great one. SCP is awesome. I use that all the time. Okay. Finding. Excellent. Users. Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing. I need to get those. I need to get some buttons. I need to get those buttons. Okay, permissions. This one, I will say, this lesson was incredibly helpful for understanding permissions. That was always something that really threw me off. I think if you have the time, you should learn more about permissions because it was very useful. All right, changing permissions, executables, root user. Oh, so now we're back here. So like, where did that file come from? Like, this is what I'm trying to figure out. Is I get down into here. As we talked about before, executable file. This works out of the box. We're at the shebang thing, but view the contents of. But I don't have that file. Is that supposed to be a file? Like, is that a file that just exists on Linux that I just don't have? This will be an Ask Boots. Hey, Boots. Oh, you guys can't see me talk to Boots. Hey, Boots. Do I already have the change file installed on my computer, or did I miss it in an earlier lesson? Okay, we're going to pay Boots with some big salmon. Excellent question. Should be available in the boot.dev learning environment. You don't need... Oh. Thank you. I should be doing it here. bin /sh. Submit. No? Why did that not work? Well, I did just run that. This should show you the content of the file, including the shebang. Oh, okay. Well, now I'm all confused. Tells the user, yeah, assignment, use the cat can to view the contents of the private bin file. I must have missed something, right? Let's go back to some of these other ones that I already completed. Okay. Oh no, this is on my home computer though. Paste the... I think Boots might have been wrong. Did Boots lead me astray? The good news though is it looks like this is World Bank /private. Okay, let's check out our World Bank. Okay, we're opening up the terminal again. Everyone, you can come look at it. Let's check it out. Because now I'm just wondering, is it in here? Is there a private? Yes. Okay. Private slash, what am I looking for? Oh, private slash bin. Is that in here? Yes, so it is in here. Boots. I don't know how I feel about that. I think you lied to me. All right, we're gonna cat this. First, we're gonna clear so you can see it. We're going to cat private slash bin slash peanuts.sh. That is the output. We are going to copy it and copy and paste it back in boot.dev and press submit. Oh, that didn't work. View the contents of the front, paste the shebang input. Oh, just the shebang. No, wait. Use the cat command to view the contents. Paste the shebang into the input. Oh, just the shebang. I need to read more. There we go. We did it. Oh, you didn't even see me do it. Ah, I need to make this better. And yeah, this course I don't think is going to be nearly as exciting to go through online as the Python course was. The Python course was a lot more interesting to go through, as like, I'm just thinking, putting my content hat on, I really don't think this one's gonna do it. So I need to get through this. I feel like I should just skip ahead on streams and go to, like, let's see, skip learn Linux, skip learning Git, and go straight into building a bookbot, or go into the learn object-oriented programming one. I know nobody's here to take a vote on this, but I am very confident that that is what I should do, because I think going through learning Linux and learning Git, although valuable for myself, will not be that interesting for anybody else to watch. And as much as I'm doing this to learn, I do also want people to, like, come watch what I'm doing. That is part of it. I mean, I am trying to do this so that people will come see me, and I don't see learning Linux and Git as the path. So I'm going to finish lessons 2, 3, or chapters 2, 3, and 4 outside of this, and then come back in and we'll start on 5. So I can do them simultaneously. I'll do those in my spare time to get through them, and then I'll do the learn object-oriented programming on stream. If anybody comes back and watches this later, and you're like, that's a good idea, or no, don't do that, we really want to watch the rest of it, then let me know somehow. Message me on YouTube or X or any of these things, and we'll get that going. Because, yeah, I don't see this as being very exciting to watch. Because I don't think it's super exciting to do. I think it's very valuable and useful, but I don't think it's exciting. So, on that incredibly interesting final statement, I think I'm going to end today. Go have movie night with the family. And tomorrow, hopefully, we'll come back in and we'll start on object-oriented programming. And it's a good one because I haven't already started it, other than those 2 very quick lessons I did to keep a streak going, which were just questions. So that's what we're going to do. Thank you for stopping by. If you're watching this at a later date, thank you for checking it out. If you don't want to watch this ever again, totally understand. But learning object-oriented programming, let me speak more clearly. Learning object-oriented programming is coming up next. It's going to be awesome. We're going to start that tomorrow, and I hope that you will come by. Please Please come watch. Please. Please. No, I'm just kidding. I do hope you come by and watch, but that was embarrassing. So, perfect time to end. Right on a high note. All right. Thanks, everyone. Bye. Well, I was trying to say that and then transition the scene to the "We'll be back," but I forgot to have it queued up, so I just held it longer than it needed to be. So, bye. Thank you for coming, and have a great evening, weekend, life, and we'll see you soon. All right.